From raw cotton fibers to finished yarn, the spinning mill transforms natural fibers into the foundation of the global textile industry. The process begins in the blow room, where compressed cotton bales are opened and prepared for cleaning. Airflow and mechanical beaters open the cotton into smaller flocks while removing dust, leaves, stones, and other impurities. The cleaned cotton exits as loose flocks or compressed lap sheets for the next spinning stage. Carding is known as the heart of the spinning mill because it determines many final yarn characteristics. The carding machine separates cotton flocks into individual fibers while removing neps and remaining impurities. The cleaned fibers are condensed into a thick, untwisted strand called card sliver. To improve uniformity, several card slivers are combined together in the draw frame process. Drafting rollers stretch and parallelize the fibers to improve evenness and consistency. The output is a more uniform drawn sliver with consistent weight throughout its length. In the roving frame, the sliver is further reduced in thickness before final spinning. A small amount of twist is inserted to provide enough strength for handling and transportation. The material is now called roving and is wound onto bobbins for ring spinning. Ring spinning is the final yarn formation stage in the spinning process. The roving is drafted to the required yarn count and receives its final twist for strength and structure. The finished yarn is wound onto ring bobbins at extremely high production speeds. In winding, yarn from multiple bobbins is joined into one continuous length, while defects are automatically removed. The final product is the yarn cone, ready for weaving, knitting, and fabric manufacturing worldwide. This is how modern textile engineering transforms raw cotton into high-quality carded yarn through precision manufacturing.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.